We are doing a compressor test on a Monday morning. Is it the 20th? Into the first event. Motor didn't sound good. We'll figure out why it doesn't sound good. (105) on 1, 3 and 2, 120 on 4. This is a big cam motor. They don't have good vacuum or good compression. So let's see what's happened to number 4. Because it's higher compression than the rest. Here we go, we got a high Cusco drain plug. It's still dripping about coolant. Gonna see what metal comes out, if any. Oh, there it is. It's a magnetic Cusco tip.
It's not terrible. Not the worst I've seen.
Trying to capture this all for the brand new docu-series called Anthony Builds 2 Liters. Is Brad going to be in the docu-series? Engine is out. What time is it, anyone? Brad?
9:30.
What?
9:30.
Okay. Spent an hour getting it out. Motor's out, taking a look at it. The cams are good. Yes, we've had the caps off already, and I know the caps are on right now, but they've been off. We've come up with a solution, we think, to build it today and get it in and running today. It's clean in there, but with no miles on a fucking engine, it's got to be clean. Okay, keeping the updates coming. So heads are off. Heads are in good condition. Looks like it was number 2 rod bearing that potentially failed. We have a mess in the shop, and I don't care. We're going to get this in and, well, at least built today. It's a lot of work. We got a lot of cleaning to do. See the markings from the timer belt and the old water pump. Well, here we go. Putting the heads on the new experimental block we're doing. I'm going to do a weird twist and it'll look weird on Instagram, but if you're following along on Instagram, the head's already going on the new block. Yes, with lots of Motul oil, and the shop is a mess while we get this done. And there's the old block, which will get rebuilt. Ready timing belt kit is on. Project X has rotated and still in time. Well, the engine is together with lots of catch can hoses. There we go. Project X on the way for March 11th, March 19th, I think it is. SCCA Rallycross, maybe it's March 11th.
Stop all day long. Keep that thing quiet.
So Project X is in. We just did a compression test. Compression came out fantastic. We got a lot of work to do. Yes, it's a filthy engine bay. It's a rally car. Lots of motor going in. The trooper is up and running. Everyone's smiling. I mean, you can't see them. Oh, looking the other way.